Okay, welcome back to my channel. I'm just laughing at myself because I've had one hell of a time trying to get started filming. And today's video is going to be a review and tutorial on the Klarity Kosmetics Bloom palette. You guys, this palette is one of the most beautiful palettes I've seen in a long time. I think I said that about the Sigma Cinderella palette, but this one is also just up there with just beautiful goodness. Just the jewel tone shades in here are just killing me. I've wanted this palette for a long time, and I finally caved in and picked it up on their sale that they had around the 4th of July. And also, my highlight today, you guys, this is maybe the most beautiful highlight I think I've ever seen. It's from Moira, I think is how you pronounce it, Cosmetics. And I'll have this linked down below. Shoot, I think it's too bright, you guys. I'm so sorry. There, is that better? I'm so sorry. It's so bright, but let me try it this way. You guys see that okay? It is just beautiful. I mean, the highlighter itself, like in the packaging and everything, and just the impression of it. It reminded me of like a snowflake. This is beautiful, but also, do you see that beaming highlight? Ooh, beautiful. Okay, so back to this beautiful Klarity Cosmetics palette, the Bloom palette. I think I forgot to clean my brushes, so just give me a second. And as usual, I never really plan looks. I just kind of go with how I'm feeling. Dang, like these shades are so beautiful. Like I don't even know where to start. I mean, I don't. I mean, dang it. These are all so pretty. I mean, this is a good problem to have, but I think I'm going to start with the shade Don't Be So Posy, which is this one right here. And I'm just going to put that in the crease. Start off kind of slow, and then we'll work our way up. Oh wow, this is way more purple than I thought that it was going to be. I don't know what it is. Like, I feel like lately all my looks have kind of turned out kind of purple. And it's funny because I actually am not really a fan of the color purple, but it just kind of seems like, well, I guess this is more of a purple. The lights kind of mess with my eyes, and they kind of got moved around a little bit because like I had to change my camera battery and everything, and just trying to get it all set up was quite the circus. So they're just like hitting me direct in the eyes, where I'm kind of having trouble like seeing how things, I guess, really look, because they're kind of blinding me. Yeah, now I'm kind of wishing I would have started with this shade first, but I mean, I like the way this looks. I wasn't really wanting like too much of a purple look, but we'll see what ends up happening here. And it's Saturday, July 23rd. Last weekend I went out with my BFF to kind of look for some bridesmaids dresses, and I found this dress that I just fell in love with, that I want for my wedding dress, but one, it's more than I wanted to spend, and two, they didn't really have one in my size that I could try on, so and it was also a different color than the color dress that I thought I wanted. So I ordered a dress from Amazon, like in that same color, that was kind of a similar fit. And sorry you guys, I feel like I'm off. Something's going on with my camera. I don't know how to fix it. My fiance does all that stuff, and he's upstairs taking a nap, so I don't want to wake him up. But yeah, I just feel like everything looks off, like just off. So I apologize if the quality of this video is shit. But anyway, and I bought a dress off of Amazon that's kind of like close to the same fit, and it did not work with my body. Like, I am not a tiny thing. So now I'm like, crap, like, can I even wear a dress? Is there even a dress that is gonna look good on my frame? I'm just kind of getting a little flustered. I'm just flustered with every aspect of my life right now, but the wedding thing, like, I don't know what I'm gonna wear, and it's literally in just under 3 months, and I still don't have a dress. Bridesmaids don't have dresses. My fiance, we got his suit. He's good to go, but I don't think the best man or the groomsmen have gotten their stuff. I don't, like, how do people plan weddings? Can someone just please explain that to me? Sorry, I just need a water break here. Yeah, how do people do it and work full time? I'm just struggling. But no, seriously, like, how do people do it? And I don't know, just how. I am, like, just sitting here, like, mind blown at all the things that I'm not able to do because of, like, with my job and my commute, I'm gone about 50 hours a week, and that's a lot. So anyway, I don't know. I don't know how people do it. I am just kind of, like, just mind blown at the whole aspect. Like, it seemed like it wouldn't be that hard, but also, like, my job has gotten so much worse this year. Oh God, like, I almost cry every time I start talking about it, and I need out so bad, but, like, nothing I'm doing is working. But anyway, that wasn't what this video was supposed to be about. But yeah, I'm just really struggling and trying to find a dress and trying to find something that the girls like for, like, best girl and bridesmaid dresses, and it's just really, really hard. So anyway, that's kind of my life right now. And some other things that were thrown on that were kind of addressed in another video before this one. But hopefully that has kind of worked itself out by now. I really want to use this shade Thistle While You Work. Alright, so I'm just going to take this shade and go in the outer part of the lid. So, like, how are you guys doing? How is your life going? If you're like a makeup junkie like me, which you probably are if you were here, have you picked up any palettes that you've been loving lately? Are there any palettes that you want to get? I think Beauty Bay was supposed to be coming out with a new palette soon. I think, if I heard right, they actually put it up on their site for short period of time and then it was taken down, so I guess it wasn't supposed to be posted yet, but it somehow was up, but then they took it down, so I'm not sure when it's going to be coming out. But it looks kind of like it'd be like a really cool, like, fall palette, so I'm hoping that'll be coming out soon since it is almost August. Oh my gosh, like, this has been just such a weird year for me. It's like the first like, full year without my dad, which has been so hard. Like, his birthday is actually in 2 days, so that's gonna be hell. Father's Day was so bad, just so hard, and then my mom and dad's anniversary was like a week and a half ago. That was really, everything is just so hard. Like, oh God, I don't know. I hope it gets easier because I can't do this every year. I can't. It's too painful, too hard. Like, something's gotta give. I don't know what that something is, but I can just tell you, like, I really cannot go through another year like this. I can't. Like, mentally, physically, emotionally, can't do it. Just cannot. You guys, I don't know if, like, it's the lights being moved, but, like, I seriously feel like something is off. So again, I'm sorry. I don't know how to fix it. I am not good at that stuff. Okay, so next, I am kind of torn because I really want to use... Sorry, I just noticed there's quite a bit of fallout in the pan. A little bit on my face, but I guess not too bad. So, I really want to use this shade, Once and Floral. But I also really want to use this shade. It's Irresistible. So I guess I'll go on the Irresistible shade first. And then we'll see how that looks. I don't think I got enough on my brush because there was like barely nothing showing up. There we go. Okay, that's a little better. I'm like, are these kind of supposed to be more like topper shades? There we go. I think these just take a little bit of building up. It's really pretty. And also, I think the lights have a lot to do with it. Like when you see things in these bright, bright lights, they don't look the same as they do like under regular lights. Alright, so let's do the other eye. Also, like where you guys live, is it so unbearably hot? Like we've had so many days already where the temperature's been over 100 degrees, and it's like it's so hot you cannot go outside. You can't. I mean, I think we're gonna go to the movie later tonight. We're gonna see the movie Nope, and it is so hot. I mean, if you're out more than a couple minutes, you feel like you're melting. Like the Wicked Witch and the Wizard of Oz. It's miserable out there. Okay, so I kind of, what do I want to do? So I'm going to take the shade Once and Floral. This is this one right here. And I'm just going to try and get a little bit and build it up on like this inner corner here. Ooh. Okay, this is a really pretty shade. I usually do the under part of the inner quarter last, but I just really wanted to, I hope you guys can see that, because this might be my favorite shade. It's very, very soft though. You have to be extremely, extremely careful, because I'm dipping in and I think I'm getting a little too excited because I am like totally messing this shade up. Trying to press it back down a little bit. Let me just see, just for funsies, if you guys can you see that on my hand? It's like a really pretty, like purplish, silverish shade. Like some small hints of like blue. It's kind of like, I don't know, reminds me of like a unicorn. But yeah, that is a beautiful shade. Yeah, we are getting some wild fallout here, guys. I'm getting a wee bit nervous. Let's see. Alright, so I'm gonna do the rest of the lower lash line, and then I'm gonna run to the bathroom, try and clean some of this up because we have a situation. And then I'll do my mascara. I have a new mascara combo that I've been loving. What shade do I want to do on the bottom as I'm talking and not paying attention to what I'm supposed to be doing? We're gonna do such a buttercup. Oh gosh. Sorry, I'm like sticking my brush in and just destroying everything over here. I don't know, I think I knew when I woke up, like, this was just gonna be a day. Like, does anyone else do that? Like, you just wake up and for some reason you're just, like, in a mood and there's not really a reason. Well, I guess I do have a reason. I'm just getting really frustrated with myself and my life and how I can't seem to, like, get anything going, and I just feel like I'm, like, so far behind with everything, but other than that, I don't know. You just kind of, like, wake up and you're just, like, in, like, a weird mood and, like, nothing seems to go right, and it's just, like, it's so stressful. Okay, so you guys, I'm gonna be right back. So, quick thing. The mascara I've been loving has been the Essence Lash Princess Curl and Volume Mascara, mixed with this Milani Anti-Gravity Mascara. I know when I first tried this Milani one, I wasn't really thrilled with it, but mixed with this Essence mascara, I've been loving the way they've been going together. So let me just get all this cleaned up and my mascara on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I wish I could say that didn't take 10 years, but here's the final look. And I somehow got a little excited with my mascara. I had about 4 or 5 specks of mascara under my eye that I had to fix. So review of the palette, the Klarity Kosmetics Bloom palette. You guys, this palette is beautiful. Like, I love this look. The palette did have some fallout, but it's not the end of the world. Very few palettes. I think the Ace Beauté palettes are the only palettes that I found that, like, have zero fallout. So, beautiful, beautiful palette. The shades are stunning. I got the palette on sale. I think normally it's like $40 to $48. I can't remember. But I think it's worth it. It's a beautiful palette. I'm going to be getting a lot of use out of this. I can't get over, like, how amazing, like, can you guys see this? Like those shimmer shades. I mean, the matte shades are beautiful too, but there's just something about these shimmers that just blew my mind. So I cannot wait to use this palette again. And I love this, this highlight, the Moira highlight. It's beautiful. I'll have that link down below. And I think that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you are not subscribed and you enjoy, I do 99% of the stuff I do is affordable. I know this Clarity palette was a bit of a splurge for me, but it was something that I've seen for a while and I really wanted it, so I picked it up. But 99% of the stuff that I do is affordable makeup products, so probably $25 or less. I try to get stuff from TJ Maxx. You'll see TJ Maxx hauls from here, you know, here and there. And I love makeup. I like to focus on eyeshadow tutorials. So if that's what you guys like, please stick around and subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up. And again, like, if you guys have any amazing palettes that you've tried, please, I want to hear about them. I love trying new makeup, love finding new brands that I can enjoy and purchase new products from. So thank you guys again. Please stay safe wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one.